Welcome to this second part of the initiation of MyReport Builder, the Excel users reporting solutions. Let's start Excel and the builder. Then we will simply create a pivot table report using the turnover, using the month, and the city. Now we will see how to play with the filter zone. Using a filter is very easy. You just have to drag and drop the fields you want to use as a filter in the proper zone. Select the operator, equal to, for example, and select the value, here, center and west. I press OK and I run it. You will get the result with only the city who belongs to the area selected previously. We will try to create a second report using different filter. Double click on the previous filter and let's see now the list filter. We will create a new Excel list filter. OK, and run. Here we are getting the list of all the different cities available. Now I will select only the north and I will update with the new parameter. And I'm getting the result corresponding to the filter. I can also select a cell directly in Excel and I can give a name to this cell. Let's call it months. I press enter to validate the name. Now I will put the value 1, semicolon 3, semicolon 5, point, 11. I will call back the builder. I will create a new filter, this time with the month. The month will be equal to an area filter. As I gave a name here on this Excel sheet, in the cell, I'm able to collect this name and I will use this value as a parameter. I press OK and I run it. So now I'm mixing both filters. It's possible for me to select an area. Here look, I ask 1, 3 from 5 till 11. I'm getting the month 1, 3 from 5 till 11. If I want to change it, it is very easy for the end user to simply ask month 8, for example, and then you can update with the new parameter. It is also possible to use drill down function. For example, if I want to see for this third month for Calcutta, what is the different amounts invoice below these cells, I will simply ask for the zoom. The zoom or the drill down will give me all the records present in my database. I can ask extra information like the product, the quantity. I can also ask on the option to export the result directly in Excel. I will call a new sheet zoom. And here I'm getting all the results directly in Excel. There is one other way to use the drill down mode. Let's come on a new sheet. I will simply double click on the trash to remove all the parameters and I will create a new report using the turnover, using the year. Let's take the months and a quarter. I will ask subtotal here and here, area, city, and subtotal on the area. I will run this report. That will make a very huge report. You are getting for each area all the different city, and for each year and for each quarter all the different months and the different results. If you see that kind of reports, nobody will get desired to work. It is absolutely not user-friendly. So the second way to use the drill down will be to ask the drill down mode here and here. I will run exactly the same report with the drill down mode. And now it's very easy for me to just pick up the results out of the first quarter from the first year, 2003, and only for the east part. I can also use the Excel function here to open or close different parts of the chart of the report. Let's call back the builder. Now we will see the listing mode. In the listing mode, we can take the city, the turnover, and here I will ask to sort my turnover on a descending way. I will run it. I'm getting very easily my ranking. We will try to improve this a little bit by using the break. For example, I will push the quarter in the break zone, and I will have a break as column. I will run it. Now the result will be split for each different quarter. And as you can see, the ranking is different. We can also use advanced mode for the break. Let's see an example. I will take the pivot table. This time I will use the quantity, I will use the area, and I will use the category of products. On the break, I want a break on the month, a break on the quarter, and I want a break on the year. Quarter on the row, month on the column, and the year on the sheet. Let's run it. Now you will see he will create 24 reports. On the first row you will get January, February, March as a first quarter line. Right under the second quarter will come April, May, June, etc. etc. This is for the sheet 2004, and we are getting the same for the sheet 2003. That will conclude the second part of the MyReport Builder presentation. Now you can see the last part with the advanced modes of the MyReport Builder. Thank you for your attention.